Hey guys, Lola and Colin again.
And it's slime time.
I don't know about you, but I love making slime.
And with Crayola Color Chemistry, you have everything you need to make slime. So what are we gonna need today, Colin?
We're gonna need a color mixing pot strip, beaker, slime part A, slime part B, colored inks, and a pipette.
All right, let's get started.
Let's go. All right, first step.
Fill the beaker up with the slime part A, which is 20 milliliters. It looks goopy. And next it says add 5 milliliters of slime part B up to the 5th line on the beaker, which is 25 milliliters.
That's good.
All right. Using the pipette, add 2 to 4 drops of color from your newly mixed inks. Let's use purple.
All right.
My favorite color. So we'll do 3 drops.
3 drops.
1, 2, 3.
All right.
That looks awesome.
Now, using the pipette, stir your mixture and see what happens after 15 seconds.
You can stir.
All right.
Oh my gosh, it's getting
It looks so
slimy.
weird. Yeah, it looks cool.
That looks so cool. Keep stirring and pull your slime out of the beaker, but I think we should stir a little bit more.
Just a little bit. That should do it.
All right.
All right.
Awesome. This looks so cool. It's so Imagine all the different colors.
All the colors we could do.
All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching, and let me know what color slime you would make.
See you guys next time.